Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats for you. Your word of the day is action. It's time to take action at this very moment. Show up and show out with your gifts. Hit this front stage. Show everyone every day what you're originally, naturally gifted with. Because Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength wants to elevate you to the next level. Jesus Christ wants to bring you to that next level. But they can't elevate you, put the spotlight on nothing. So come out and perform and get ready to excel, because what you have, I need and the world needs. My divine action incites love and harmony. I'm aware of my thoughts and driven by positive forces. I listen to my heart. My desire to manifest light is great. Transform tests into strength. That's becoming second nature, because you're understanding negative energy and those feelings can never get you where you want to go. And they teach you why you need to let go of those feelings, because they mean nothing when it comes into your breakthrough, comes to getting to your breakthrough. You turn challenge into opportunity. Bend but not break. You continue to stay positive and work for your gifts, because you come too far to stop. And you turn fear into love, because fear fears you. Therefore, you look in an aisle, turn the other way and run the other way. And then you're on your way to your lovely, freedom-filled, abundance life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.